You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll help you troubleshoot if Adobe Express isn't working on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. First, check the App Store for any available updates to Adobe Express. Running the latest version can often fix bugs or compatibility issues. If everything's up to date and the app is still acting up, try restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can clear temporary glitches that might be interfering with how the app runs. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Adobe Express relies on a connection to load templates, sync projects, and save your work to the cloud. If the app isn't loading properly, that could be the reason. You should also go into your iPhone settings, find Adobe Express, and make sure all the necessary permissions are turned on, like access to photos or notifications. If the app keeps freezing or crashing, try clearing the cache if the option is available in the app settings, or just delete and reinstall it. Another helpful step is to log out of your Adobe account and log back in. This can refresh your session and fix any sync errors that are causing problems. It's also worth checking Adobe's status page or their social media channels to see if there are any server outages or known issues. If nothing seems to help, reach out to Adobe support directly or consider using the web version of Adobe Express as a temporary solution. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get back on track, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more helpful iPhone tips and fixes. See you later.